We'll start with one of the key first steps, managing users. Here, you will learn how to add new users, assign roles and permissions, and make sure each team member has the correct level of access. A clear setup keeps your system secure and ensures everyone sees only what they need for their role. Let's get started.
To invite a new user to the platform, start by clicking the blue Settings button. From the drop-down menu, select Users. To add a new user, click the green New User button. Enter all the required details for the new user. For this demonstration, I'll invite myself so you can see how each step works in practice. After completing all mandatory fields, click Next. Now you'll notice a checkmark option. This controls access to system modules. If the checkmark remains selected, the user will have access to all available modules. If you uncheck it, you can manually select only the modules this user should access. Next, define the scope of visibility. Choose whether the user can access all clients, all locations, and all machines, or limit access to specific ones. Take a moment here to assign permissions carefully. Once everything is set up, click Save. You'll now see the new user in the list. The status will appear as unverified. This means the invitation email has been sent, but the user hasn't activated their account yet. The verification link is valid for 24 hours. If the link expires before activation, simply click the three dots next to the user's name and select Resend Verification Email. And that's it. The user invitation is complete.